Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna get my passport picture taken. I was thinking, why not record a video doing my makeup on my passport picture? So keep on watching. First off, I'm gonna be using Intra Camera Close Up moisturizer and a primer in one. So I'm gonna use that to moisturize and prime. I'm gonna leave that to sit. Next off, I fill in my brows. My brows actually looks decent because I got it tweezed, but I'm gonna fill it in a little bit because there's a few sparks here, so I'm just gonna fill it in, but it's gonna be very natural. I'll be using Rimmel London brow pencil in dark brown. And I'm gonna brush it just to make it look as natural as possible, just to blend it in, because I'm not gonna be cleaning it up. That's my brows done. It's foundation time. So I'm gonna be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop 24-hour foundation. It actually released 45 foundation shades for a drugstore. That is really good. They did a collab with Lisa Ashley. She's a YouTuber today. So this is kind of like new review, new products out there. I love NYX though. It's about time. It's actually about time drugstore pull out their game. They're finally listening to dark skin tones and also fair skin. So they have so many foundation in between shades. For a drugstore, that's amazing. And it's gonna be 24 hours, so we're gonna test it out to see if it's really gonna be 24 hours. And also it says that it's a matte foundation, so if you have dry skin and you want to use this foundation, you have to moisturize your skin before you use that. One pump. Just gonna dab it on. Oh yes, look at that shade. This is my perfect shade in a bottle. So beautiful. The girls at the counter did say it does oxidize, so it will get a bit darker when you're getting these foundation. You need to be careful. Really glad that I went to do a skin swatch before I bought it, or else I would have ended up buying the wrong shade. I'm just gonna put some just under there as a corrector, because my skin under eye is dark. Look at that coverage though. Yes, NYX, you did that. Yes. Okay. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? That foundation matches me to a T. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes. I don't want too much of a concealer because I still want to look natural. Because most of the time when I'm going to the airport, I literally have no makeup on. I still want my passport picture like I have no makeup on, but I do have makeup on. I'm just gonna blend it in so it looks like one shade. Okay, I'm gonna use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm not gonna bake because I don't want this to look so dry under my eye, and I have dry under eyes anyway. I don't want it to look bad. I'm just gonna set the concealer under the eyes to prevent it from creasing. Set my chin as well. My cupid bow. Basically anywhere I've highlighted. Next, I'm gonna use my face powder to set the rest of my face. Not really too much powder. Here's my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I'm gonna use the shade just to bronze. I'm not gonna contour, just gonna bronze because it's just a passport picture. We don't need to contour. I'm gonna use the Sleek Makeup Contour and Highlighting Palette. I'm using the shade here just for a subtle highlight. So when I'm getting my picture taken, the light hits, radiant. I'm gonna use Model Kohl eyeliner pencil just to line my top lash line. I'm not using a liquid liner because liquid liners are really harsh on my picture because most liquid liner have a glow on it, but with the pencil it's more matte. And we're not doing any eyeshadow honestly, because when I'm going to airport I don't put any eyeshadow on. I go for more of a natural look. I'm gonna use this smudger brush just to smudge it in, smudge out the eyeliner to make it look like we have eyeshadow on, but we really don't. Next, I'm gonna be using my mascara. This is L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Extra Black. I love this mascara. It makes your lashes look like you have a lot of lashes, but you really don't. It separates your lashes, and if you want it to be like spider web type of lashes, you can keep coating it and coating it, and it will be like a spider web. The brush that gets every single hair. Just gonna put 2 coats, maybe 3. So I'm not putting any eyelashes on. It's a passport picture. You don't want to look crazy in your passport picture. Even if your lashes are raising up, the cameraman is not going to tell you that your lashes looks crazy, so you need to fix it. No. He's gonna take the picture and that's it. I think I'm just gonna do 2 coats of this. This mascara is a bay. I'm gonna put some on my lower lash to make it exist. And that's my lashes done. Next up is lips. So I'm gonna go with more of a nude natural lip. This is the NYX Butter Lip Balm. It's in the shade Ladyfinger. I'm going in with the setting spray. Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Spray that on. To get some of the powder look off. It's a nice natural look for my passport. Basically to have your hair tied back, but I look like a child when my hair is tied back, so I just put my hair back like so, like behind my ear, and I'm ready for my close-up. Okay guys, so this is definitely the look that I'll go for to get my passport picture taken. Very natural, everyday type of look, nothing crazy, because you don't want to look crazy on the camera and you can't filter it, you can't change it, you're still gonna have to pay for it no matter what. So keep it classy, keep it simple, and just go with it. So that's my passport picture. Makeup, Have a nice day, guys.